Hola, estudiantes. Okay, we are in lesson 9-6. Math messages in our journal page again, 289. So it should look something like this. Okay, it says pretend that your calculator is broken. Oh no! The addition key, that means this plus sign, and the number 8 key, so the 8 button, are not working. Think about how you could use your broken calculator to make the number 18, which just happens to be Miss Schmidt's favorite number. In the name collection box, write at least 5 different names for 18 that do not use the addition key, the plus sign, or the number 8 key, the 8 button. Use 2 operations, subtraction, multiplication, division, in at least one of the names. Okay, so here's our name collection box. If you remember, it's this square and it has an 18 in there because that's going to be our product or our answer or what our problem equals. So everything needs to equal 18 that is in this box. Now what it is saying is I can't do something like 10 plus 8. Yes, 10 plus 8 equals 18, right? That's what we wanted. But it broke some rules. Remember, our addition key is broken, so we wouldn't have been able to add, and we can't use the 8 button, so we wouldn't have been able to do this. What if you were like, Miss Schmidt, what about 9 plus 9? That equals 18, because those are half of 18. And I say, yes, you can use the 9 buttons, but what's wrong with this again? We can't use the addition button, so this one wouldn't work either. Now we have 3 other symbols we can use. We can subtract, we can multiply, or we can divide. So I'm going to section this off into 3 sections. So I need 2 lines. And any problem that I use subtraction, I'm going to put here. Any problem I use multiplication, I'm going to put here. And any problem I use division, I want right here. Now I don't want all of this same. I don't want you just to subtract for all of them. It says use 2 operations. So you at least need to use 2 different sections. You can use all 3 if you'd like. How many solutions do we need to come up with? Oh, that's right. We need at least 5 different names or 5 different ways to solve and get 18. So using subtraction, multiplication, or division, go ahead and write down problems that would equal 18. Put me on pause and then unpause me to double check your answers. Okay, if you're hearing me again, you have some things written down. I want you to put some down before I do. Okay, what could we have for subtraction? Well, one of my answers I came up with was 20 take away 2. What is 20 take away 2? Well, it's 18, so that works, right? 20, count down by 2, 19, 18. Awesome. Another one you might have had is 31 take away 13. That was a possible answer. And if you wanted to get really tricky, I have 3 times 7 take away 3. If you use order of operations, does that equal 18? Well, remember, first we need to look for parentheses. Do I have parentheses in here? Nope. Next comes what in the order of operations? We either multiply or divide. Do you see a multiplication or division? I do, and we look from left to right. So 3 times 7 is 21. Remember, bring down the rest of your problem. So minus 3. What is 21 take away 3? Well, let's see. Let's count downwards by 3. 21, 20, 19, 18. Ding, ding, ding. All of these problems equal 18, but we're not done yet because that was only 1, 2, 3 problems. And how many do I need total? I need at least 5 solutions. Okay, what can we possibly have for multiplication? Well, just like I know that half of 18 is 9, that means I could go 9 times 2, because that's like doubling 9, and that gives me 18. Could you also have 2 times 9? Yes, of course, because what's that called when we can switch around numbers to get the same answer? Fact families. Wonderful. What's another multiplication problem? Well, I also had 3 times 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Add another 6, we have 18. Or you could have 6 times 3. Amazing. So right there I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. But if I wanted to challenge myself, I also put a division problem. What are some division problems that could equal 18? Well, I want to double 18. What's 18 plus 18? Okay, that's 36. So if I double to get 36, then I would split it in half to get 18, right? 36 cut in half would be 18. That would be our answer. Amazing. What if I also wanted to go above and beyond, just like I know some of you do, pushing ourselves to be the best? 42 divided by 2. And I know I couldn't stop there because if 36 divided by 2 was 18, there is no way 42 divided by 2 is 18. But if I add a takeaway 3, let's use our order of operations. I don't see any parentheses, and let me just put an equal sign over here. So next, remember, is either multiply or divide. Do I see a multiplication or division, left or right? There we go. 42 divided by 2. What's 42 in half? 21. Bring down the rest of my problem. 21 minus 3. Oh, look, we had 21 minus 3 up here. So we know that this equals 18. So these are a few possibilities you could have had. Could you have different ones in different categories? Yes, of course. But remember, none of these problems could have an 8 in it or addition, right? No plus and no 8 because those were broken. But these are all great ways to figure out our solution or our answer as number 18. Amazing. I need you to now go into your packets for the week, your worksheet, and take out our, take out our apples worksheet for math. Let me find it. It's page 316 called Packing Apples.